Hey guys, and welcome back to another teckwrapcraft video. For this project, we are featuring teckwrap's neon cold color changing adhesive vinyl. Paired with this opal white vinyl. These two types of vinyl come in different colors that you can choose from to make any craft projects you have in mind. I'll also be using this Libby cup that is also available on the website. And these teckwrapcraft tools for reading and burnishing the vinyl, as well as this handy scrap collector. Let's begin! So now I just uploaded my SVG design to my design space, and this is already pre-sized for this kind of glass. Since we have two layers, I will be using the neon cold color changing vinyl for this layer, and the opal white vinyl for the line layer. I'm just changing the color of the layer to match it, so I only need to cut them in one go. So here you can see both layers of the design, and I'm just placing it with enough allowance from each other so they won't overlap. Then I'm using the Cricut Vinyl Plus setting. Now I'm placing my vinyl on my cutting mat. And I will remove the protective layer first before loading it into the machine. So our design is now done cutting, and I will be using the snap weeding technique for this one. That was fast and such a cool technique to try out. As you can see, the tiny details of the butterfly remains intact, although there are parts of negative vinyls that still needs to be weeded out, so we will be doing that using our weeding tools. Then I'm doing the same snap weeding technique on the second layer. I'm going to place a transfer tape on top of the first layer, then burnish it. Then I'm going to remove it from the mat and flip it over to remove the backing. Then I'm placing my parchment paper to help me in layering both layers together. So time to place the first layer on top and move it around to make sure it fits with the bottom layer. Now time to remove the parchment paper while pressing down the layer on top slowly. Burnish them together and remove it from the mat. Then flip it over, burnish again, and remove the backing paper. Before wrapping your glass, make sure it's clean, so wipe it and use a rubbing alcohol if needed. Then slowly press down the vinyl onto the glass and slowly wrap it around. Burnish the design while you remove the transfer tape. And now our butterfly full wrap is done. Now let's add some icy cold water to see how the vinyl will change its color. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and do follow this channel to see more tech wrap craft video like this one. Bye!